Ever notice how just seeing someone yawn can make you yawn too? Scientists call this contagious yawning, and it's not just about being tired. Here's the twist. Research shows you're more likely to catch a yawn from someone you feel close to. It's like an invisible code revealing bonds between people. Even dogs catch yawns from their favorite humans. This hidden signal is so strong it can cross species. The next time you yawn after someone else, remember, it's your mind quietly revealing who matters most to you, all without a single word.